feel so messy.
Hi, welcome to Friends Test Kitchen. I'm Catherine.
And I'm Gina.
So today we're really excited. We're going to try a recipe from Joanna Gaines Cookbook called Magnolia Table, and it's called the Gaines Burger. I know that it's a really big menu item at the restaurant in Waco as well, so we're really excited to make this, especially now that it's summer. It'll be a really great summer barbecue addition to the menu.
First, we're gonna start by making the jalapeno drip jam. And to make that, we're gonna start off by heating up some butter and some onions in a hot saucepan. Pretty basic butter and onions to start any meal, and butter if you just want it to taste good. So we're gonna let that melt and let the onions cook for a little bit until they're translucent.
So guys, I know that this is an extra step in making burgers. From all the reviews that I've seen online, apparently this jalapeno drip jam is what really makes the burger really special.
Okay, mine looks translucent, so I think it's ready for the rest of the ingredients. So we're gonna add some brown sugar. And then some chopped jalapenos. The good thing with this is that you can get it in a can, already done. Easy peasy, and you want to keep the juice in there as well, so throw the whole can in there. And then some stone ground mustard, what I call fancy mustard. I'm going to put a little bit of that in there as well. Alright, so you mix thoroughly. And then once it's mixed, you're going to lower the heat to simmer, and we're going to simmer this for the next 30 minutes. Just to get all the flavors to gel together. While this cooks, we are going to get our burgers ready. Our jam is ready, so we let it cool down for a while, and it really does look like a jam. Not sure if you can see this, but it's a brown, thick, gooey texture, just like a jam. And Catherine, my house smells so good. It was like butter and onions and then this brown sugar. I couldn't wait to try this.
In the Magnolia Table Cookbook, Joanna says that you need 4 pounds of ground beef with some salt and pepper. That equals about 10 ounces a burger patty because it's supposed to make 6. That is too big for our family. We don't normally eat burgers that big, and I'm sure it makes sense at the restaurant because you want that big burger to come, and it gives you the whole experience. But for us, we made smaller burgers, so I would say adjust that as needed. So we went ahead and grilled the burgers, put a nice slice of Gruyere cheese on it for that great flavor, and then toasted the buns. Brushed the buns with butter and garlic so they're a nice golden brown, and now we're ready to assemble. We're going to take some of that beautiful jalapeno jam that we just made, and we're going to put a nice layer of it on the bottom bun. And then you're gonna follow that up with a nice thick slice of tomato, followed by your hamburger patty with a nice melted Gruyere cheese. A nice big dollop of jam goes right on top of the burger. Okay, so then we're gonna finish that off with a nice handful of baby arugula. All right, and that is it, guys. So you literally put jam, tomato, burger, jam, baby arugula. I don't know about you, but I am ready to try this Gaines Burger from Magnolia Table, created by the genius of Joanna Gaines.
It's big. I feel like I need a bib. Oh my gosh. I feel so messy.
It was really big.
Yeah.
I can't imagine having twice the meat, but this is really good.
I do like this.
It's very sweet.
It's sweet. So I was about to say I don't taste a lot of heat, but there's a warmth. So I wouldn't say it's spicy. I don't know, how would you describe it? But I'd say there's a warmth of jalapeno flavor in it. But I get the sweet first, so it's like a good blend of both worlds.
It's really pretty too. Okay, so I think this is delicious. Joanna Gaines, I mean, she not only builds beautiful houses, but she makes pretty burgers as well.
She does. I love her even more. I didn't think that was possible.
So what do you think? How easy was this to make from a rating of 1 to 5?
I'm gonna give it a 5, and I think that you can just probably refrigerate this for about a week, at least 5 days, I wanna say. So it's totally worth it. You throw everything in, stuff come out of a can, easy peasy. 5.
Yep, 5. All the work was in the jam, but I think that you can enjoy it for the next week. And I think this would be a really great addition just to serve, you know, if you're having an entertaining family gathering, you know, serve some of the regular burgers with the, you know, ketchup and mustard and mayo. Yeah, some of the adults will really like this. It's spicy, slightly spicy, but it's got that real grown-up flavor.
It goes really well with the Gruyere cheese too, and that costs a little more, but if you want to make someone feel special or make their stomach happy, I'd say it's worth it.
So in terms of flavor, Gina, from 1 to 5, what do you give this?
Can I do like 0.5? I want to say a 5. It didn't blow my mind, but it's really good. So I was gonna say like a 4, 5, 4.5. Not to complicate things, but it like was wow enough because I've never had anything like this. But I don't know if I would call it mind blowing, like 5.
I think it was really good. I think it's really good. It takes you away from that regular burger that you have. One of my favorite burgers is like a bonsai burger where it's a teriyaki burger with pineapple. So it kind of reminds me of that. I think that it was good. I don't think it was a 5. I think a 5 would be like, I can't wait to take another bite. But it's pretty good and it's different. So I'm going to agree with you. I'm going to say this is like a 4, 4.5. Because of creativity and the difference, but it is a nice departure and it was good. And I would add it to my summer menu if I was having a get together. I would say try this. Joanna Gaines, she has a really great cookbook and it's got a ton of recipes in it. We're excited to do more recipes, so come back next week and check out what we're making next. So make sure you like this video and subscribe so that we can make more, and we will see you guys next week. Bye guys!